What's up, guys? Today we have the AverMedia USB multi-purpose condenser microphone. Welcome back. The AverMedia USB microphone is perfect for music performers, vocalists, commenters, gamers, and especially live streamers. So this microphone is specially meant for streaming. It is an unidirectional condenser microphone, which means that it will not catch the noise which is behind you, just records what is in front. Ideal for podcast or voiceover. It costs around $100 and it has a similar look to the Yeti microphone. In the box you find the stand and the microphone. It comes with a LED indicator, blue if it is powered on, red if it is muted. Also you have a switcher to turn on and off. It also has a switcher to switch between PC or monitor. Enable you monitor your voice during streaming. And this model is the AM310, which comes from the AverMedia. The links to get the microphones from the Amazon will be available below the video, so just check it in. And now let's test the sound quality. Now we have switched to the AverMedia USB microphone, and this is the sound produced without any phantom or external card, and this will help you to compare this sound quality to the other sound qualities, to the other microphone sounds. Good. We hope that we have helped you decide on setting up your studio or getting your voice heard. In the next tutorial, this is your host Izzadeen. Peace.
Thank you for watching. If you like this video, do consider sharing it. Click on the like button and go ahead and leave us a comment below. We'd love to hear from you, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and the notifications to get the latest tutorials that will inspire, empower and connect you.
www.raqmedia.com
Bye for now, see you next video.